Shiba Inu secret code. We're all being lied to by Elon Musk. Huge Shiba Inus move forward. SHIB news today. The price of Shiba Inus seemed to be heading straight for $0.0000738 as the drop picked up speed after last week's meetings of the US Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank. After the crazy week before the Bank of Japan meeting, traders thought the year was over. Several G7 currencies lost more than 3% against the Japanese yen. As a result of the planned fall in value of the euro, the US dollar, the pound sterling, and other currencies, cryptocurrencies are rising in value compared to these currencies. This video is about how Elon Musk is lying to us all. Huge Shiba Inu shift ahead. Today's SHIB news, as always, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and opt in for the channel. Check out our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's start the video right away. The price of Shiba Inus kept going down sharply since December, and on Monday it dropped another 4%. SHIB price action changed on Monday, and Shiba Inu bulls are making up over 3% of the losses they had on Monday, almost to the point where they could pay them back in full. If the prices from this week could be turned into a green candle on the weekly chart, it would be a big sign that prices are going up. So SHIB needs to break above $0.00000000900 if possible. Bulls can continue this rise once that area is taken back. The 55-day simple moving average is a great place to take profits near $0.000000000. For this week through Christmas, that means prices might go up by 18%. If the bulls don't plan ahead, the markets could be in for a bad surprise because most of the all-tail threats that happened in 2022 will still be around in 2023. The conflict in Ukraine hasn't finished and central banks haven't been able to bring inflation back down much. The European Union is also still having trouble getting enough energy. All of these things will still put downward pressure on the price of Shiba Inu, which could cause it to fall back to $0.000000038. Many people were looking forward to the Shiba Inu countdown, but it didn't end with the Shibarium upgrade as many had hoped. A few days ago, an unknown timer showed up on the official SHIB website, leaving people to guess what it might mean. A lot of people thought the statement might have something to do with the upcoming Shibarium. The new Shibarium scaling option will make the SHIB ecosystem work better and let users do transactions more quickly and for less money. Proof of stake will be used to make decisions on the network, which is similar to how Ethereum's Layer 1 works. This means that people who own Shiba Inus can stake some coins and become a checker on the chain once Layer 2 is up and running. But investors hoped that the countdown could be a build-up to the much anticipated. This news turned out to be just an update for the main website. Some people in the community were upset about the news and they tweeted about it. This made developers take notice and fix the problem. The project's lead creator, Satoshi Kusama, told the SHIB followers he was sorry and that he fully understood how the countdown could have been confusing. Chophius, who worked on the SHIB website, said, "We understand that some of you may be upset because you were waiting for news about the much anticipated Shibarium. We can't really start everything at the same time." Just a few days ago, Chophius suggested that the website update would be the time when the countdown would be revealed. First, we need to make changes to our main page. It was very important, and this is the first thing we need to do to get Shibarium's test launch ready. However, there is some good news for Shiba Inu owners lately, even though the reveal may have been disappointing. In 2022, SHIB was one of the 3 cryptocurrencies that people looked at the most on Binance. There is no denying how famous Shiba Inus are. According to Binance, Shiba joined the 2 most popular blockchains as one of the 3 most watched crypto assets in 2022. The Shiba coin is already a very important part of the cryptocurrency world, as shown by the fact that organized exchanges hold a lot of SHIB, which shows that users have a lot of it. CoinMarketCap data shows that SHIB holds more than $36 million in KuCoin reserves, nearly $300 million in Crypto.com reserves, and almost $500 million in Binance reserves. Most of the time, the Shiba token is one of the most valuable assets on any big CEX if you take out BTC and ETH and sometimes the exchange's own token. The Shiba team doesn't like that the meme coin is popular but doesn't do anything. As stated by BSC News, the community is rushing for the Shibarium layer to arrive on blockchain soon. This will be the core of the Shiba ecosystem and will include an exchange, metaverse, NFT GameFi DAO, and more. Elon Musk finally admitted that a public poll he held showed that many people wanted him to step down as CEO of Twitter. It took more than 40 hours. Musk said in a tweet on Tuesday night, "I will step down as CEO as soon as I find someone stupid enough to do it. I will only be in charge of the program and service team after that." Musk himself started a poll on Twitter, and 17 million people, or 57.5% of those asked, said they wanted Musk to step down. Musk didn't accept the results right away, even though he said he would. Instead, he questioned the validity of the poll. People on Twitter who didn't want to be named also wanted Musk to step down. Outside investors also told Musk that he should spend more time on Tesla and less time on Twitter. They've seen how Musk's Twitter drama took his attention away from his more profitable work at Tesla, whose stock price has dropped sharply in recent weeks. Musk has said for a long time that he wants to leave his job as CEO of Twitter. That's why it's not clear why he didn't seem willing to accept the poll results, which said he should step down as CEO of the business. Musk didn't say anything about the poll results until Monday morning, hours after they were announced. People started to wonder if the findings were real because of it. He replied to a Twitter thread where someone said that the election was being rigged against him by a deep state bot army. Someone else in the same thread as Musk mentioned that only people who pay for Twitter Blue should be able to vote in polls. And Musk agreed. He said Twitter would change that. Musk's unpredictable way of leading has made polls a favorite way for him to make big decisions at Twitter. When Musk polled Twitter users about whether or not to reinstate the account of former US President Donald Trump, for example, he quickly agreed with the results, which showed that most people wanted to restore Trump. A few hours after the poll ended, Musk posted that the people had spoken, and he then restored Trump's account. But this time Musk took too long. Musk replied to a tweet from the market research company Harris on Tuesday. Harris had done a poll and found that 61% of people wanted Musk to stay on. Before he bought Twitter, Musk had said bad things about bots. He tried to get out of the deal at that time by saying that the site had a problem with bots. But since he took over, Musk has said he will get rid of all the bots on Twitter. After that, it wasn't clear why he would run a Twitter poll about the future of his own leadership if he wasn't sure it was accurate. But once more, Musk's plan was always to finally find a new CEO for Twitter. He told a Delaware court in November, "I expect to cut down on my time at Twitter and find someone else to run Twitter over time." Part of what's stopping Musk, though, is that he didn't see a good alternative. "No one wants the job that would keep Twitter going. There is no one to take over," Musk tweeted on Sunday. Then, on Tuesday, he answered with laughing emojis and a link to an NBC News story saying that he's looking for a new CEO. Musk set a fake date to do something he already wanted to do,